Hello and welcome to another video based on game development. Today we will be building a simple bricks breaker game in Python using Chat GPT. All we need to do is to write a code in Python to create a simple bricks breaker game. Now Chat GPT replies us with some information and provide us the code. After it stops replying, we need to copy the code. We will be using VS Code for the same. Now paste the code in VS Code. Now click on the Run button on the top menu bar. Or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-D, this will open the Run and Debug panel. Now we can play the bricks breaker game. I hope this video was helpful in learning how to create a bricks breaker game in Python using Chat GPT. As always, don't hesitate in leaving any questions or comments below. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.